Here we go. We got a GoPro Hero 5, which it doesn't say 5 on it anywhere, does it? Oh, right there. You can barely see it. GoPro Hero 5. I'm going to power that on. We got the new remote. Charged it up. Made sure it's the most up-to-date software. At this current moment, it's 1.2. Going to power it on. Going to go ahead and slide down from the top. Click on Connect. Go down to wireless connections, and I'm going to hit that till that turns white. If it's faded out, that means it's not connecting to devices. Going to go ahead and click on Connect New Device. Going to go down to Smart Remote. Click Smart Remote. Put Smart Remote in pairing mode. This is already turned on and searching. And it says connected. I didn't even have to do anything. So it says connected. Oh, there we go. Smart Remote connected it there at the top. I didn't have to do anything other than turn it on because this is the first time this has ever been paired to something. And this is the first time this has ever been paired to it. So we're going to go ahead and switch my hand so it doesn't look like I'm hitting the record button. So let's go ahead and push record. We got green. 1 second, 2 seconds. Saving. Just going through the different Well, it definitely kicks on the recorder like you want. Don't quite know the other settings, but there we go. Photo, burst, time lapse, preference, connect, video. I'll tell you, I guess, what all it's in, what mode. This is my first time doing this. GoPro, auto, iOS 1600. It tells you a lot of stuff. I don't know if you guys can see all that. There you go. Now let's see if it'll power off together or just one. Power off. And it powered off that. See if it powers it back on. And it powered it back on. See if I can hit the button right away. Nope, gotta wait for it to come up with the display. Get all the info from the camera. And oh yeah, not too bad. Shut it back off. And there you have it, how to connect the aftermarket GoPro Smart Remote to a GoPro Hero 5 Black.